Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe, stock number 7173. It's ran plus 6 2015 and the second 2018. There's a D4HV 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4HV 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 19-inch 50mm mega tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch 50mm mega tyre, left hand tail light has sun cracks, right rear 19-inch 50mm mega tyre, right front 19-inch 50mm mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, the AC controls, factory touchscreen. Sat nav stereo, interior mirror, fit front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,